to reset speech rate and pitch voice assistant in Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap Accessibility. Tap Vision. Tap Voice Assistant. Tap Settings. Tap Text to Speech. Tap Reset.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English. This is an example of speech synthesis in English. This is an example of speech synthesis in English. This is an example of speech synthesis in English. This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.